Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about PHB price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start with the PHB per TUSD. This is now using a daily chart basically. If they we're gonna go to the 4-hour chart first. For the 4-hour chart, we're gonna go to the moving average here. If the price is still above the 0.0144 US dollar, then still having opportunity to go up and getting higher. But if not, that should be like having going correction, and the correction should be like the next support on the 0.0126 US dollar, right? And if you want to entry, then you can entry on the 0.0109 US dollar. For the Bollinger Band here is going to the upper band first, 0.015 US dollar. And if they go down, you can go to the pink one side here, middle band 0.01272 US dollar. RSI stochastic is already in the natural position, not overbought, not oversold. For the daily chart, basically it's the second day having oil already going up. If you want to entry, then you can entry on the 0.007. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment.